Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up DeepSeek for Janitor AI. First, go to the Janitor AI website and sign into your account. Open any chat, either start a new one or use an existing conversation. Keep in mind that some characters support proxies while others don't. If you try to use DeepSeek with a character that doesn't allow proxies, you'll see an error message at the top. If that happens, simply switch to another character. Inside the chat, click the three lines menu icon at the top of the screen and select API settings. Under the model option, choose Custom. Now go to OpenRouter and sign in or create an account. In the search bar, type DeepSeek and scroll through the results. Look for a model labeled Free on the right side. Click the model to open its page, then copy the model link provided there. Return to the Janitor AI API settings page. Paste the copied link into the model field under the proxy section. Then paste the OpenRouter proxy URL into the API proxy URL field. Next, go back to OpenRouter and click API keys in the top right corner. Select Create API Key, give it a name, for example, DeepSeek Janitor AI, and optionally set a credit limit. After creating it, copy the API key. You will only see it once, so make sure to save it. Paste the API key into the key section in Janitor AI. You can also add a custom prompt if you want, but it's optional. After filling in everything, click Save Settings. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.